Hi, hello. This episode happened the same week I got the car blasted. We headed up the country, up to a guy. He just wants to be known as Mr. X because he likes to just deal with people face to face. He doesn't really want to be known online. Basically, he brings AE86s in from Japan and other stuff. Usually the 86s get broken down for parts, but all the parts usually get repurposed, which is kind of sad in a way, but it's a necessary evil, I guess, in Ireland because a lot of people have used this guy for parts over the years, and I had to get a whole bunch of stuff off him. This is the first trip where I go up there, and yeah, it was a little bit intimidating, to be honest, because I didn't really want to take the camera out and just start shooting all of his stuff, but he was pretty happy with letting me do it. So I just want to show you, this is just another typical Irish scenario where this guy just has a crazy amount of Toyotas, and he has a pretty interesting collection of AE86 parts. Go. Just filming road. We're given directions to turn right at the Hillbilly pub. This is very hurdy-gurdy. So for all the non-Irish people, basically this is another situation where somebody just has a load of really nice stuff and they live in the absolute fucking middle of nowhere. Jesus. Fucking hell.
How does he think has two of them? And I offered him.
Fucking lovely. No, they're absolutely
like that. They're just ideal for the lick of that thing. It's funny enough.
They're fucking lovely though. Almex.
$100.
Not a bad idea. Yeah.
Well, I have me one Wales. So I don't need to do that shit.
It's good. Keeping it safe.
The steer's right.
What? Yeah.
Not that much.
I have a dodgy 11 shell.
Yeah.
Get a piece of him.
Yeah. The old wing is just becoming one with nature.
Don't kill me.
These 86 dashes.
Mirror on the wall. Would you like electrical or would you like manual?
Just manual, I guess. Not picky, like.
These are €25 for a pair.
Yeah, perfect. So I need one of these for my car because my one is fucked, and I also need locks. So I'm getting some locks and a key. Right, so Brian is buying this, which is a adjustable
Power steering
column, and look what came with it, one of those snap-on keys. So I'm going to get this for my car because the joke is don't forget the key.
That's me actually. Brian, I actually says the price was Brian.
That's it, yeah.
I can keep it for you. There's no problem.
Pump shit on me though, you know?
Better show
Bitters and stuff like that.
Yeah, let's kind of show us a lot of them.
6CW, original UK car. Fella now.
It's a good seat. €20.
Split the money with you.
Yeah. 50-50. Look at that sparkle there.
Hard to find in that condition.
One of a kind.
Yeah, one of a kind. You won't find a sparkle like it. Oh, Jesus.
Jeez. Hello. All right.
He just wants to watch you struggle there. He wrapped in all, right?
These are heavy. Not quite as heavy.
It's a rare thing.
Yeah, fuck it is.
I shouldn't have bought it, but I did.
It looks brand new on camera there.
Not bad.
Like you said though, the fact that someone kept one of these in that good a condition, like.
All its original tires. Fucking effort in Brian, will
No,
you?
I'm trying to, but I can't see it.
Come on, Brian. Check the ETC thing for the toll in Japan. Looks and sounds amazing. I love that. It's a weird shape, aren't they? They're just like,
The back end is really weird.
yeah.
Got any stripe around? There's usually stripe around.
Yeah. No, I like it. Just Snow White.
It just, yeah.
A long chance.
Turn the old wheels off.
And there, right. One of them is this one here with the black on it.
Was good enough for was it a different out? Yeah. But the tail's different though.
No, same.
Okay.
Everything is the very same.
Never seen
The only
one
difference is speedo block and the mirrors. Fuck this, okay.
Mentioned on these.
Yeah.
Spokes are good.
I know, but I think it's a
DG Dash.
Doesn't nearly go high enough.
Sit in.
Make a lovely taxi.
Like that's 1985.
The first video has hit 1 million views, which is crazy. And I know a lot of you were asking, why didn't we do some rings for the 50,000 subscribers? And yeah, we forgot because the last video we made, we just got really carried away talking about the story. So I'm going to see if anyone wants to do some rings. Rings!
Hey.
Hi. Hello.
Hey,
How you doing?
I got some new F4P fenders.
A lot of people were giving out that we didn't do some rings.
Oh yeah, rings, lad.
50
Love the rings.
50,000 subscribers, rings.
And
Do you want to do some?
in this, I need to put a new gearbox in.
Yeah, we should get these wings on as well.
Alright.
Give us 10 minutes.
Okay. Gearbox in.
Gearbox is in. Hopefully we don't break it.
Yeah, so we made 40 of these Rings Lad stickers to celebrate the 1 million views for the joke. So get one while they last. Brilliant. Rings Lad. It'll only be around for a minute and then it's gone. Goodbye.